The young recruit suddenly aimed his gun at his fellow soldiers. Despite his unusual behavior, none of the older soldiers took him seriously. Instead of feeling threatened, they mocked him, convinced he wouldn't dare pull the trigger. One soldier even grabbed the barrel and pressed it against his own chest, while another slapped the recruit. These veterans were so arrogant because they had bullied him for a long time. The recruit had never fought back before, so they assumed he wouldn't do it now. And they were right. After a moment of hesitation, the recruit lowered his gun and turned to leave the room. However, just as the soldiers were about to resume their meal, a grenade rolled in. A deafening explosion followed, killing them all instantly. The recruit didn't even glance back. His mind was flooded with memories of humiliation and abuse. Just earlier that day, while on duty, he had been beaten again by his teammates. He had reached his breaking point. He decided to kill them all. Using his physical strength, he overpowered a soldier and took his gun. After the grenade wiped out the older soldiers, he kept going, shooting every soldier he encountered. Next, he kicked open a dormitory door and unleashed a hail of bullets on the resting soldiers inside. He had lost all restraint. Fueled by years of suppressed rage, he fired at everyone in sight. The gunshots soon drew attention. The remaining soldiers sent a man to check, but he was too terrified to move and hid in a corner. Left with no other option, the veterans mustered their courage and cautiously opened the door to take a look. But at that very moment, the recruit arrived at the entrance. Blood smeared his face. His gun was raised. The older soldiers trembled in fear. Yet, he didn't shoot right away. Scanning the room, he noticed someone was missing, the squad leader. The leader had been the worst of them all, tormenting the recruit relentlessly and even threatening to harm his mother after leaving the military. When he confirmed the leader wasn't in the room, the recruit didn't hesitate. He killed everyone else. Only one man remained. He was the only person in the entire unit who had never bullied him. The recruit spared his life and even tossed him a gun, hoping he would join him in taking revenge. But the man was too scared. Instead of fighting back, he picked up his phone and called the general's mother for help. Meanwhile, the recruit made his way to the bathroom. He had searched everywhere, but the squad leader was nowhere to be found. This was the last possible hiding place. Realizing he had nowhere left to run, the squad leader suddenly burst out and tackled him to the ground. The recruit quickly fired a shot, then slowly got up and walked toward him. Out of options, unable to escape or fight back, the squad leader begged for his life. What do you think? Would the recruit let him go?